So if you want to see how I made this beautiful glam vase, stay tuned and watch. Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So we're going to take this purple vase and spray paint it with that Krylon metallic silver. So I figured I'd show you. This is normally where I spray paint. So now this is what that vase looks like right after that metallic paint dries. So now we're going to move on to the next step. These are the embellishments. We're going to use the beads from the Dollar Tree and the metallic silver, and we're also got that from the toy section, that embellishment. So remember that all the items that I'm using to create this craft will be listed in the description box below. Let's get into it, guys. So now after spray painting the vase in that metallic silver color, I'm going to use that folk art ice blue color. Absolutely love that. And we're going to color the inside of this little sauce dish that comes in a 4-pack that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. We need to give this a couple of coats to get it to the blue that I want. So that's what I'm doing here. Now I move that bowl over to the side so we can let that dry. We're going to use this Gorilla Grip glue in order to glue down those silver beads. Now I just kind of randomly cut them, and we're also going to stagger them around that vase. So that's what you're going to see me doing here. As you can see here, like I said, it was going to take multiple coats to get it to the blue that I'd like. So here is what the bowl looks like after it's dry and we get it to the color that I love. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that ice blue. Now it's time to glue the pieces together. Remember that when you're using a permanent adhesive, you want to be in a well-ventilated area and allow the pieces to dry 24 to 48 hours, just so that you don't have any accidents. Okay, we're gonna move that vase over to the side and we are gonna move on to project number 2. So we're gonna take these 2 pieces here. I found them in my stash and I thought we could make something really cute with this. So let's jump into this part of the video. So we took this trinket tray and just added a little bit to it, didn't need very much. And then we added some of the beads inside of the tea light part there, embellished a little bit, and we're all done. So I hope you enjoyed the video just as much as I enjoyed making it. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day.